Hello everyone, welcome back to EduMoon tutorials. My name is Srinitya and I'm going to be teaching engineering drawing. In the last video we discussed about how to construct a parabola and we discussed the two methods of constructing it. So if you have not seen that video, make sure to check it out. So in this video we'll discuss how to construct an involute. Let us solve some questions and understand the steps of construction. So I've just written 3 questions here. Draw an involute of circle with radius 30 mm. Draw an involute of a pentagon of side 20 mm. Draw an involute of a hexagon of side 20 mm. And then there can be more questions like involute of a square, involute of some other polygon. So I will be explaining one question and the same method will apply for the rest of the questions. So I will show one question in full detail with steps of construction and I will show the solutions to the other 2 questions. If you have any doubts in any particular question, you can drop it down in the comment section below and your question will be answered in the next video. So I'll solve the 3rd question. Draw an involute of a hexagon of side 20 mm. So in the center of my paper, I'm going to draw a hexagon. So if you don't know how to construct a hexagon, so first you draw the base line of side 20 mm in the question, so I took 20 mm. Then you have to move the rafter to 30 degrees. And then you can make one side 20 mm. 30 degree on the other side and 20 mm again. Like this. Now keep your rafter like this, move it to this point and draw 20 mm here since these 2 sides are parallel. Basically opposite sides are parallel. So then bring your rafter back to the normal position and complete the hexagon. So your hexagon should look something like this and I've named all the vertices. Now I'm going to extend this side and the length of that is going to be the circumference, that is side is 20, so circumference is 20 into 6, so 120 mm. Like this. So I've marked the points on the circumference because I've just taken 20, 20, 20. The next step is to extend all the sides, almost like drawing tangents. Like we have extended this side, similarly the other sides. So you'll get 6 extended lines. Like this. Next, taking 6, 1 as radius and 1 as center, cut an arc here. Then 6, 2 as radius, 2 as center, cut an arc here. Similarly, 6, 3 as radius, on line 3 make an arc. 4, 5 also. So I've marked the points. Now the 6th line is already, this will be the point because 6, 6. Now we need to join all these points from here. So 6, so this will be the first point to this point. Like that. So you can do that freehand or, as I said, using French curves. Something like this. But the final drawing has to be much darker. The final drawing has to look like this. As you can see, the hexagon and all these lines are much lighter than the curve. So the curve is the involute, so that has to be the darker one. So you can draw that with HP. And then you can dimension the side of the hexagon also. That's it guys, that's the involute. So let me show you the involute for a pentagon. So same method, but pentagon, as you know, has only 5 sides. So you'll first construct a pentagon and then you draw the involute using the same method. And similarly for circle. And for circle, since it doesn't have any sides, you will just divide the circle into 12 parts or 8 parts and at each point you'll make tangents. And again, same method. So here you will take the circumference of the circle. So yeah, very simple guys. Involute is a very easy curve. So in this video, we discussed involute. In the coming videos, we'll discuss cycloid, helix, sine curve and some other curves. Thank you so much for watching.